Hi everyone, it's Molly from School of Psychic Studies, and here we are on another full moon. Time is going so quickly at the moment, isn't it? And I have got in front of me today all the list of the things that are going to happen this full moon. Really nice things. It's a lovely happy full moon, perhaps the first one for a very long time. And you're going to be noticing the restrictions that have been hemming us in fading away gradually as the year goes on. But on the 24th, which is this coming Thursday evening, we're going to be doing a full moon workshop. And what this full moon is bringing in, it's in Capricorn, and Capricorn is about stability, it's about acquisitions, it's about growth. And this one's going to bring good fortune, it's going to bring optimism and generosity, success, warmth, honesty and spirituality. So that can't be bad, can it? That's a lot more uplifting than normal, and you may even be feeling that your energy is much higher this month. It's an excellent, let me see what's it saying here. It's excellent to combat lies and deception that the eclipse on the June the 10th brought to us. So that's all going to be washed away, and people are going to be more honest and kind to one another. It's going to be very good for your relationships. Good for your business, good for work, setting up new projects, etc. So this is an excellent full moon, but even so, good idea to get rid of any rubbish that you might be carrying from the past. So join me on Thursday evening at 7 o'clock for your full moon workshop and deep healing. That's all for more. So I'll see you on Thursday.